The chains are lubed up, very nice. Very beautiful gutter. Very beautiful. Alright, so we adjusted the machine and it's a maximum lip right here. Can't go any larger. And it's really good here. All the chains, everything is really rusty, so we're reviving them. And the machine is ready for pickup. There it is. It's not hitting anything. Maximum lip. Very nice. So the rattling was from the lid. The chains are lubed up, very nice. Very beautiful gutter. Very beautiful. Fixing this box on this machine, there's too much rattles. So every attachment point, there was a reason for that. So every attachment point needs to have a securement. I actually added one right here as well because it was really rattly. Let me turn it on. Oh, that's so nice. No noise. We just added a bunch of oil, grease, got the whole machine lined up. Not lined up, but like lubricated. We're gonna run a piece of gutter through it and check. This machine is super ancient. It's a fascia machine. Look at this, 3-spool option, 1, 2, 3. Very nice machine. So yeah, now it's working really good. Let's run another piece and close it up. Just put a piece of gutter in there. We actually moved this over this way. It had too much of a gap, but there goes the gutter. Oh, actually there is a theater right there. So maybe we just need to clean it up a little bit. Let's go see what kind of gutter it's making here. Is it gonna come out? Yeah. Look at that, beautiful. See all that oil and grime? That's what I was after. Go ahead. Just to get that oil out of there. So the first roller set is 3 feet in there. But we're gonna clean the next one after that. So very nice. So now there's no gaps here. So when I try to move this, very nice, very nice. So this first set is really loose. That's why it wasn't pulling the coil. So we're just gonna add some more pressure to this bolt right there.